Hi, welcome to Lizbee kitchen. Today we are going to make chicken kondattam recipe, which is a popular dish among Keralites. This is a spicy hot chicken dish using salted curd chilies as the main ingredient. We can also use dried red chilies instead, as it is always available. There are two versions of this kondattam, dry version and semi-gravy version. Let me share the recipe of semi-gravy version. So please go through the entire video. Click the bell icon to get notification. Subscribe our channel. So let us see how to make this spicy hot chicken dish. For making this spicy chicken kondattam, we have 1 kg cleaned medium sized chicken pieces. You can also make this dish with boneless chicken. We have to marinate the chicken to make this dish. For this, what we need is half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, lime juice from 1 lemon. Add enough salt, and the other ingredients are dried red chilies, 5 numbers. You have to use salted curd chilies instead, and 30 chopped shallots, 2 tablespoons of crushed ginger garlic. I took 7 cloves of garlic and 1 small piece of ginger. We need some spice powders, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder and half teaspoon of chili powder. We need half cup of tomato sauce to balance the spiciness of the dish, half cup of water, 2 tablespoons of chili flakes and a bunch of curry leaves. Here we are making this dish in coconut oil. First we have to marinate chicken pieces with these ingredients. Add lemon juice. Add enough salt. Ginger garlic paste. Turmeric powder. Kashmiri chili powder. Marinate the chicken pieces. Let it rest for 1 hour. Now heat oil in a pan for deep fry. Now add the chicken pieces one by one. Close it with a lid for the first 3 minutes. In between, flip the chicken pieces. The speciality of this chicken dish is crispy outside with juicy, full of flavor inside. In between, flip the chicken pieces and again close it with a lid. Now open the lid and fry the semi-cooked chicken until golden. Once done, drain and set aside. If there is excess oil after frying, you can use the same oil. Now heat a pan with 1 tablespoon of oil. Salt dried red chilies. Now add crushed ginger garlic. Saute for 30 seconds. Add chopped shallots. We have to fry until it is golden color. Now the shallots are golden. Make low flame. Add these spice powders. Saute for few seconds. Now add chili flakes and saute for few seconds in low flame. Add some salt for the gravy. Then add tomato sauce to balance the spiciness. Combine very well. We are making semi-gravy version of kondattam, so we are adding half cup of water. Mix well and allow the gravy to boil. Now add the fried chicken pieces. Give a fine mix. Saute for 2 minutes in low flame. Add a lot of curry leaves. Again mix well and switch off the flame. Serve this spicy hot chicken dish along with chapati, dosha, paratha and even with rice. This dish is very easy to prepare. So please make this dish and send me feedback. Let us see again. Bye.